14 Elm Street. Give you an update video. We're really getting this one done. Again, this is a nice, big, large property, double car garage. Here's all the trash and everything that we got to get out of here. So everything's coming together here though. Let's go inside. Good, nice street. See, we got this already started. We got all the paint taken care of. Here's the dining room. So we're starting to work in here. The blinds are up. I'll get that hooked up there, the air conditioner. And as there was no bathroom here, so we're making this a Jack and Jill. We cut this door in right here, and this is where we're adding the door, so you have a first floor access to bathrooms. And here's one of the bedrooms here. Nice big bedroom here. There's two upstairs. Big bedrooms. So we have this here. This is all cool. All this is painted, done. We're gonna paint the floors here, so those will be cleaned up very nice. When that's done, it'll really look nice. And then this one has a nice big walk-in closet here. So that's nice. This is kind of a master suite. But again, you got two bedrooms up here. And let's go down the basement. This one does have a basement. This is what I do. I kind of go through these properties, making sure they're getting done properly so we can move forward and get these rented and get these cash flowing as fast as possible. Let's go down the basement. And you see down here, this is all cleaned out. They'll be putting the bathroom right there. The bathroom has been ordered. There's a new water heater, new heater. And again, all this stuff's cleaned out, but it's coming together. I hope to have this done. We'll get that other bathroom in over there. So this will be a two bedroom, 3 bath. Makes it more functional. This one just wasn't functional without that extra bathroom. Some homes are functional with 1 bath, but this one just happened not to be that way. So that's why we're putting in that second bathroom. And this one we're at for $1,350 a month. Awesome area, awesome buy, awesome service. We do it all. Like, subscribe. Brett with Fathom, 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. Thanks. Have a great day.